Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to enable pointer location or touch coordinates in Redmi Note 10s. So friends, at first we have to tap on settings, and after that you have to scroll down to find out additional settings. Now you have to tap on additional settings. Friends, if developer options is not enabled in your Android phone, then you have to enable the developer mode in your mobile phone. Or to enable the developer options, you have to watch my previous videos. I have already uploaded a video how to enable developer options in Redmi Note 10s. So in the additional settings, you have to tap on developer options, and now you have to scroll down to pointer location. Once you get the pointer location, just you need to tap on pointer location. So this is the pointer location. Now you have to tap on pointer location. So touch pointer location or touch coordinates. Now you tap anywhere and you will see the coordinates. Anywhere you tap on the screen, tap coordinates are visible to you. So friends, in this way you can enable the pointer location in your Redmi Note 10s. So friends, if you wish to disable the pointer location or touch coordinates, you have to go to the settings, and in the settings you have to scroll down to additional settings and just tap on additional settings, and then we have to scroll down and tap on developer options, and then we have to scroll down to pointer location, and then we have to disable the pointer location option, and your touch coordinates or pointer location is disabled. So friends, in this way you can enable or disable pointer location or touch coordinates in Redmi Note 10s. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.